Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I did this hexagon pattern a couple days ago and even yesterday, and somebody said, well, you could do it with math and the duplicate tool, and you can, but unless you're going to do a lot of them, Snap 2 would be a little quicker. But if you're going to do a whole page of them, I can almost see. I picked a 8 inches across to make my math a little bit easier. And I changed my nudge factor to go X, which is left to right, 4 inches, and Y, which is up and down, 6.39 inches. So when I control D, it just puts it right on top of that. But how did I figure out that 6.93 inches movement? The 4 inches are easy because you're just moving over half the space. And so all I did is I made a duplicate and place it up there where it needs to be, Snap 2. I drew a line. I'm going to call it an imaginary line, but it's not because it's actually there. I need to move that point to there, so I got out the parallel dimension tool. I'm going to start up top so I can kind of go down the line, and it's 6.93 inches. So, like I said, unless you're going to do a whole page of them, I don't think it's worth the time. Well, let's just make quite a few of them real quick. Let's go way down here and Control D and make your heart's content. And you could keep going. The only thing wrong, now you're going to hit the plus sign to get a new one of these and lock it right there, and then Control D. Well, see what happened. There we go. Control D actually did what it's supposed to do, and then you could go Control D into your heart's content all the way up the page. So it might save you a little bit of time. Now, in this particular case, I don't have the spaces like I was having yesterday, but that would be very easy also. Anyway, so I thank that viewer or subscriber for suggesting that, and hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.